for Parish in northwestern Louisiana until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time,
There's Caleb. Woo, yeah. Relay KBTT.
That'd be one of the.
You need to relay too, KBEF.
Have you ever?
You do too?
expect wind damage to
There we
roofs,
go.
siding,
There
and
one.
trees. Locations impacted include Lake Vestimo South, Elm Grove, McDade, Curtis, and Coran.
Oh, what?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and
Just came out of nowhere.
move indoors immediately.
There's
Lightning
Caleb.
is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Oh, wow. Nope, they're not relaying.
Life on Earth.
Nope, y'all are not relaying either. Crap, I don't know who else is relaying. Spring Hill?
He's there every morning at 5.
I kind of expected that. Alright, I don't know who I should look to now.
Sounded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: Bossier, Louisiana.
Uh-oh. For Bossier Parish this time. Jesus Christ.